Welcome again to the continuation of the topic trigonometry. We want to see how to solve all these questions. Please don't forget to watch the previous videos so that you see all we have released on this topic. Okay? Then they say given that sin theta equal to cos theta for theta greater than 0 less than 360, find theta. If you are given this type of question, it's very simple. Just say sin theta equal to cos theta. Divide by cos theta. Divide by cos theta. Now note that whenever this divide this, it will give you 1. And whenever cos theta is dividing sin theta, that is sin theta over cos theta, it is equivalent to tan theta. And whenever cos theta is over sin theta, it means inverse of this, it is equivalent to cotangent theta. So we have that tan theta equal to 1. Then theta will be equal to tan inverse of 1 equal to 45 degrees. Now, they say theta must be greater than 0 and less than 360. Now, since this is positive angle, it means go to the 4 quadrant and locate where tan is positive. It's positive in the first quadrant, tan theta equal to positive, and positive in the third quadrant, tan theta equal to positive. Now, because of that, what happens in tan theta here? We say that in the first quadrant, we have gotten it to be 45. So we say the first value of theta is 45. Then what happens in the third quadrant? In third quadrant, we have theta plus or minus 180. Now, once it is 45, you say 45 plus 180 and 45 minus 180. That plus or minus means this. So, this will be giving you minus 135, while this will be giving you 225 degrees. So, but the question says theta must be greater than 0 but less than 360. Minus 135, is it greater than 0? No. We say that irrespective that tan minus 135 will give you 1. But because that it is not greater than 0, we will say we will not take this. We only take 225 and 45. Because 45 is greater than 0 but less than 360. And 225 is greater than 0 but less than 360. So we'll say therefore the values of theta are 45 degrees, 225 degrees. Then we go to the next question, question 2. In question 2, they said sin 3y equal to cos 2y. If you are given this type of question, equal to cos 2y, what you do is get the equivalent of cos 2y. You say is equal to sin 90 minus 2y. This was gotten from cos theta, where 2y is the theta, is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So, once they give you this type of question, you now say, okay, since cos 2y is equal to this, you now say sin 3y will be equal to cos 2y, which is sin 90 minus 2y. This means that in this second question, it means that we are using what happened in the first quadrant to solve it. Then sin will cancel sin. We have 90 minus 2y equal to 3y. This goes the last side, 90 equal to 5y. Y equal to 90 over 5. This divide this will give you 18 degrees. We go to the next question. Given that sin theta equal to this, 1 to minus 1 over 2, find theta ranging from if theta ranging from 0 but less than They say given that sin theta equal to minus 1 over 2, find all values of theta. Okay, if you are to solve such question, what you do is you say sin theta equal to minus 1 over 2. Therefore, theta will be equal to sine inverse of minus 1 over 2 equal to minus 30. This minus you see tells you go to 4 quadrats and know where sine is negative. It's negative in the third, sine negative in the third, and sine negative in the fourth. What happened in the third quadrant? We say theta plus or minus 180. Here, 360 minus theta. So, use only this 30 and put here. Remember that the minus you see by each side tells you which quadrant do you go. This tells you about quadrat. Why this tells you the angle you have to use. Angle theta to be used. So what you now do is that you say, therefore, first value of theta here, for here we have theta 30 plus or minus 180. Therefore, 30 plus 180 or 30 minus 180. This will give you 210 degrees and this will give you minus 150 degrees. Then in the fourth quadrant, we carry theta as 30 and put here. Also, 360 minus 30 in the fourth quadrant implies 360 minus 30. That will be giving you 330 degrees. So, that means that sine 210 will give you minus 1 over 2. Sine minus 150 will give you minus 1 over 2. Sine 330 will give you minus 1 over 2. Therefore, values of theta are, we write minus 150. If we check also, sine of minus 30 will give you minus 1 over 2 because we got it from here. So, minus 30, then 210, and 330 degrees. So, these are the values of theta, and the values of theta is, less than or equal to 360. This values of theta is less than or equal to 360. Okay? We go to the last question on this, where they say, given that sin 2 theta equal to define theta, all you do is I say sin 2 theta equal to 0.6428. Then I say 2 theta equal to sine inverse of what? 0.6428. That will be giving you 40 degrees approximately. So 2 theta equal to 40 degrees. Therefore, theta equal to 40 over 2 equal to 20 degrees. That is how we call off on this topic, and see the next video so that we'll see next topic or subtopic on this trigonometry. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It won't cost you anything. It will take your MB or take your money. And click like button as you enjoy it. Thank you.